How to change Discord server permissions for all members on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change the Discord server permissions for all members on mobile. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Discord app is up to date. So if it's still not updated, then go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Discord, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. Then it is important to update your Discord app because this feature that I will be teaching you might not be available on your version. So go ahead and update it and click open once you are done. And then go to your server. For example, I will choose this one. Simply click on the name of your server or the three dots found on the upper right corner of your screen. And then click on settings right here and scroll down to the bottom of the page, and under the user management section, you may see roles. So click on roles, and then you may see the at everyone option right here. So go ahead and click on at everyone, and then you may be able to see all of the options that you can change right here. So you may turn on or off the options by clicking on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of the screen. So go ahead and change the settings, and then that's it. That's how you can change Discord server permission for all members on mobile.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.